Now, good morning, children. Now, children, chapter 8 is going on operator in Python, and in chapter 8 we have read about operator and types of operator. Okay, and relational operator is also in page number 105. Now we are going to read logical operator. Children, there are three logical operator: AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. So first of all, we have to know about logical operators. So what are these logical operators? Logical operators are used to control the flow of program execution. These operators are mainly used in conditionals to draw comparison between two variables. It means from this AND or NOT logical operator, we can compare these two variables values. Like what are its working? AND operator, and AND operator, it joins two relations such that it returns true value when both expression produce true output. It means suppose the two conditions, and both if the AND statements we can assign AND or not all, but now we are talking about AND operator, and when we assign AND operator between two variables and two variable values, so both values and both conditional should be same. Both conditions should be same. Then the programs go ahead, otherwise not. Okay, now OR operator is a just opposite of AND operator. It joins two relations such that it returns true value when any of the two or both expressions produce true. Okay, so in OR operators, between two values, if in one value, at least one value should be true, then programs will execute, otherwise not. And NOT operator means it is used to reverse the result of a test expressions. It means by this operator we can reverse this result, we can change the value of the variable. Okay, so how can we do it? By these programs we can understand these logical operators all. The x is equal to true and y is equal to false. The value of x is true and value of x is false. Now print x and y is x and, this is the operator, AND operator, x and y. So it means these value, this output of will be false. Why? Because the value x and y, these both are different value. This is true and false, then x and y. This means the Python compiler gives the output from these condition false. Here is OR operator x or y. The Python compiler will gives result true. Why true? Because x is equal to true and y is equal to false. So one value is true, means one value is true and second value is not true. And OR condition is that, OR logical operators is working is in between two value, one condition is true, then program will execute. Okay, and then not x is a false, x is not false, so that's time yes. So not is x false means these results will be false because x not operators reverse the results. Okay, now children, there is another operator is a string operator. String, string is a group of character, and when we assign a string as a variable, so we have to enclose it with double quotes, like a is equal to computer is a string, b is equal to application means this is a string. Okay, and we are reading the concatenation of operators. So this operator means is a plus. When we two string variable add, so this returns is a concatenation or join two strings. So when we assign the plus operator in between two and more than two string, so this it will be the result after running the program, after execution the program. They will give, means compiler will gives the result joining the strings like that. So A is equal to computer, B is equal to application. Now print A, so it will be print computer, and print B, it will be print application, and now the third will go to print A plus B. So it returns computer application like that. This is the output. First output is a computer, second output is a application, and now third output computer application. It means the Python compiler will returns computer application, mean to joining the two strings computer and application. So these are two strings, and A plus B, from this plus operator, concatenation operator, we can join these two string. And this is a replication operator. By star we can assign the replication operator. So by this program we will known about it. A is equal to hello world. This is a string hello world which we can which is assigned by the variable A, and here is print A into 3 means asterisk, means is a replication operator. It means the value of A, which is hello world will print 3 times like that. This output will be hello world like this. Okay, so how can we do it? Let's see. Now look at this. Here I have taken 3 variable. A variable string is Bakshi in double quotes, B variable in Springdale, in C variables I have taken school. Now I have assigned the print statement because I want to output Bakshi Springdale school combined. So this is by concatenation operator A plus B plus C. So what will be the result? Let's see by the run the program, save, okay. Now let's see. Look at this Bakshi Springdale's school. So by this program we have known about the concatenation operator because all the 3 strings will join. Okay, now if now I am applying the replication operator, print A, then asterisk operator and 3 like that. Suppose I'll take 2, so it means value of A, and value of A is a Bakshi string. Then the returns value will be Bakshi and Bakshi 2 times. If I increase the value 3, so it will return 3 times like that. So now run the program. Look at this. Look at this, Bakshi then Bakshi. Clear? So by this program you will have known about the logical operator and string operator. Okay, so read and make these programs in your Android Pyroid software, and you can send to me. If you have any error, so by the WhatsApp you can ask. Thank you very much.